We can get a reminder of this from a quotation that's often attributed to Maya Angelou, but I think there's more evidence that it comes from this guy, Carl Buhner, who was a religious leader in the Mormon Church. And he said this, which is often attributed to Maya Angelou. Miss Ayazi, you want to read it for us?
They may forget what you say, but they will never forget how you made them feel.
That's what you want to think about in terms of a presentation. What can you do to build in something where your audience can get excited? What can you do to build in something to make them curious about learning more? What can you do to avoid making them feel bored? Because that's a real problem when it comes to presentations. And so one question you can ask with all sorts of communication, certainly applies to writing, but maybe more viscerally applies to speaking, is this question, Miss Ayazi.
What kind of experience do you want this to be for them?
And I focus on this word experience because I really do want you to remember what it's like to be on the other side of your presentation. If you remember that, what you're crafting will become a lot better. I also focus on the idea of experience because if you notice with the elements of everything that we talked about, if you look at the first word or the first letter of each thing, you want to think about your presentation as a kind of product. That what you're giving to people, what you want that experience to be when they use your product.